Hi guys, happy Friday. Today, this morning, Juliana did a lot of work today. When she wake up, she make up her bed, she clean her bathroom, she vacuum her room, and she did the dishes today. She washed all the dishes. She did the laundry today. I'm very proud of her for helping me cleaning the whole house today. She also fed her cat and cleaned their poop. And also she showered the two pets. Showered Mochi and her cat, Miso. How good is my daughter is. She did a lot of work today. She also wiped and cleaned like a crystal clear her room. Um, Her room is super clean, no garbage. You can see how clean and immaculate her room. And I'm so proud of her. Before dropping her off to her retreat, I want to thank her for doing all this job to me, for helping me a lot. Even though I'm in pain, my knee is in pain, I can't do it, not much, but she is 90% giving all her effort to help me. And I'm so proud of her. That's all, guys. Thank you. So proud of this girl.